Why not? Do you want to be in it? Why not?
That's going, isn't it? What's up, everybody? So we're back at Arrma again this weekend. Get one last drive in before the lockdown hits. And get out with the new Mojave EXB. So this is it here. Looking very nice and clean at the moment, but it won't stay that way for long. Looking nice. So we've now got the power plant in there. We've gone for the Max6 ESC and the 1650 kV motor, running on the 23 tooth pinion, 50 tooth spur. We did end up getting, luckily it came in just in time from AliExpress, the DS Servo 35 kilo high voltage one. Running today on the Turnigy heavy duties. We have reinforced the front body mounts with some foam, front and rear, as I've been told that that's a weak spot on them. So all in all pretty good, and also shoe glued and reinforced the body to make it last a little bit longer. So we'll get that running shortly, guys. Also got the Notty with us today. Callum's driving that. Seen better days. Body's seen certainly better days now. But Typhoon's coming out again today. Jack will be driving that. And obviously the Creighton EXB is out as well. So the pair of EXBs. Love the colour, love the look. Bit windy today as well, guys, so if it is a bit buffy, I do apologise. It's a good old English winter weather. Hey guys, if you like what we're doing, please remember to
subscribe, like, share, comment. Notification.
Okay. We get bashing. See what we can break today.
Message everyone.
Also out today we've got Martin fixing up his cars ready to go. Bournemouth from RC, Claire RC, Ian, and Matt over there as well.
I'm a bad foot.
Not bad foot. Someone's taking the mickey out of my filming. Can't drive. Who's the driver today?
Me.
Ah, you still learning? Oh, saved it. I think we're going to change the driver now. See what Jack's ability to drive is like. But he's on his phone. Teenagers on the phone. Are you driving or are you texting? Can't text and drive at the same time. Gotta love teenagers. Tumble rumble. Aiming for the tyres. Glad I reinforced the body because I think the boys are having trouble driving it. Need to have the expert come and do it. Going well though, I'm getting the hang of it. Just a nice loop. Get around that corner quite nicely as well.
Ratty dog.
Ratty dog in the house.
Right, we ready?
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, it's fun on top of the dog.
Sorry.
Wasn't me, that's fine.
You see your boss, the RCA show.
Ready, go.
Hello, doggy. Hello. Oh. Dean Mitchell's little doggy. Hello. So we've got Dean here as well from Radical. He sells the bash bars. So if you haven't seen those already, I'll put a link in the description below. But he's selling bash bars to strengthen the standard Arrma chassis. EXB Mojave against EXB Creighton. Jack's driving the Mojave, so see if he can keep up. He marks, get set, go. Oh, coming back for the EXB's chasing down the Mojave. Looks like the Mojave might have it though. Oh, man on the track. Oh, he takes him on the inside. Whipped him on the inside there. Oh, major race here.
We got a full line up on the show. Everybody ready? Yeah. Ready, steady, go!
Oh, I need to start. Mojave's getting mullered. Mojave's going to come in third, I think. If it can hold it, no, it's gone on the corner. Just rolls.
Ready, steady, go!
Oh, Mojave takes it up. What's that next match? Oh, carnage. Oh, carnage on the corner. And I think the Mojave EXB came in third that time. Yeah.
Ready, steady, go!
Oh, major carnage on the corner. Oh, it's a big jump. Mojave's trying to catch up. Okay guys, we're now going to give the Mojave a quick speed run. So we're running today on the Turnigy Rapid 5500 milliamp hour 140C packs, running on a Max6 with a 1650 kV motor on a 23 tooth pinion on the 50 tooth stock spur. Obviously we've got our Sky RC GPS analyzer in there. Again, I'll put a link in the description below for that. Right, let's see what she can do. Track, start, off we go, see what we can get. Roller in the corner, that'll be a long way to walk. Flat out, brakes very nicely, bring her in, see what we got. We're going to stop, read, 55 miles an hour guys, 55 miles an hour on the 6S, 23 tooth pinion, 50 tooth spur. Give it one more blast just to double check that. There we go. Track, start. Stop, read, 57. We got 57 miles an hour out of that time. So again, that's still on the 23 tooth spur, sorry, 23 tooth pinion, 50 tooth spur. We'll get in there now and have a look just to see that there's nothing. My favourite words coming out again guys, any hokey pokery going on.
Poo.
A bit of mud. So again, it's the Turnigy Rapids 5500 milliamp hour 6S packs on the 23 tooth spur, 23 tooth pinion, 52 spur, Hobbywing Max6 1650 kV setup in there. Hope you all enjoyed that, guys. If you do, remember to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, comments down below. Stay safe with the new lockdown coming, everybody. Look after yourselves, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Arrma signing out.
Goodbye.